What's good, glam gang? Welcome back. My name is Tehja Valentine, and today I will be making body glitter, DIY body glitter for episode 4 of 14 days of a Teezy Valentine. So if you would like to know how to make your own body glitter, then please keep on watching to the end of the video because I'll also be demoing it as well. Okay. And so I have like these packets, these containers first, but then I also have these like packets I got from Michael's, and they're like really cheap. I don't remember what price it was exactly, but it's a really cheap thing. It probably looks like $1 or something, or $2 or something. I also have some regular glitter that like is like pre-mixed because it like was like the leftover of a project. I'm going to take one of the containers and open it. I'm going to first take like my dumped glitter and like just like dump it in there. So I have a little bit of the purple. There we go. And I'm going to do a little bit of the pink. And then I'm going to take this like chunky glitter and then I'm going to pour that in as well. So I'm going to like mix it up to kind of see like what it looks like without. Oh, this is actually going to be really pretty. So, it looks like a really pretty glitter already. And then I'm going to take my Got2b hair gel and I'm going to pour it in just kind of like little by little until it gets like that gel, like kind of consistency. Oh shit, that was probably like way too much. Oh, it's pretty though. Look at it. This is what it looks like so far. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. So I might leave it like that. If you want it to be a little bit more like looser and not as pigmented, then you can add more gel. It's really about the proportions. I'm going to move on to the next color. Okay, so as I was preparing for the next color, I kind of had a wild idea. I think putting some perfume into the body glitters is a great idea to also make it smell good. So I don't know how that's going to work. So we're just going to see how that turned out because it can either be like an epic success or like a major fail. And then I'll be disappointed and cry about it later, but it's okay. All right, so moving on to the next one, we're going to break into these like cheapy little glitter packs. I'm going to kind of take more of like a white glitter theme for this one. So I took like this like duochrome white one, which you can buy by itself. You can buy any of these by itself. And I'm taking like these star ones and then like some regular white. This is obviously like not enough glitter, but I do have this glitter as well, which is like a holographic duochrome type of glitter that I also got from Michael's. It's the same company too. It's Creatology from Michael's. Again, super cheap. So I'm going to obviously cut these up. I'm going to add a good amount of this one too, because I feel like the higher kind of, or the bigger size glitters are super duper popular when it comes to like body glitters and stuff like that. So I want to make sure there's enough of that as possible. And then obviously we will add our gel. And I'm also going to do 2 spritz of my perfume. This is like an airy perfume that I got years ago, but it still smells pretty good. It's called Whoa with 2 exclamation points. So like 2 of those and then mix it. If you have sensitive skin, like don't do that. All right, so this one's like a little bit more choppy and I'm not sure if it's the glitter or if it's adding the perfume, which I doubt it, but you never know, or what. But I'm going to swatch it for y'all. Look at it. It's so pretty. It definitely needs more gel because this is like super concentrated, but it's freaking gorgeous. Last but not least, we'll be doing more of like a pinky vibe. Oh, I forgot to smell the body glitter to see if it smells like the perfume. It does. It smells good. And then like, you know, I'm using mostly like regular particle glitters, but if you want like different shapes and stuff like that or different like specs, you can definitely go and find some like kind of like, you know, like you mermaid scales, that company, like you can definitely find glitters like that. I'll probably like make more on my IG TV and show you like different like shapes and sizes and all that stuff. I'm adding like a shit ton of glitter. Oh my god. I don't even know what this is gonna look like, but I have to add like, this is like a 50-50 ratio. And it's like almost the perfect like consistency that I was looking for. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, like that. That is like exactly what I was looking for. Look at that. It's so pretty. And also I do have to say that it's better to use cosmetic glitters instead of like craft glitters. Just for like, because cosmetic glitters are made for your body and made for your skin. Craft glitters are not. But, you know, craft glitters are still okay to use from my knowledge. But cosmetics glitters are always better. So I'll link some cosmetics glitters below for you to use as well. But I'm very happy with the way that my glitters came out. So now I will be demoing the glitter. For this demo, I will be using the pink glitter only. And so here I was kind of struggle bus. It was a little too thick. It was a little bit too, you know, kind of plastery. So I added some more hair gel, and then it was more so the consistency that I wanted. The purple glitter was the best consistency out of the three of them, and that was a 50-50 ratio, which I'll be demoing all three of those glitters over on my Instagram at Teezy Season. But here is the pink glitter, and the pink glitter is my favorite for the look and feel. It went on and glided on really nicely once I added more gel to it, and it just looks so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So that is it for the DIY portion. As you see, I have the other two colors on me. Like I said, will be on my Instagram. So that is it for the DIY portion. So now let's get into the self-love prompt of the day. Of course, with every day of 14 days of Teezy Valentine, I am going to give y'all a self-love journaling prompt or just a self-love practicing prompt for y'all to do or to reflect on or whatever. Write down about 5 to 10 things that you do that makes you happy or you feel like you nurture yourself with. So for me, I know that like watching a movie, having movie night, like brings me joy. Playing card games brings me joy. Dressing up brings me joy. You know, creating things with my hands brings me joy. So write down things that bring you joy. Taking a nice bath, whatever feel like makes you feel like you're nurtured, pampered, or brings you joy. Write down 5 to 10 of those things, and then kind of set out a self-care day for yourself and do as many things as you can for that day. Because you have to invest in yourself to build and create and practice that habit of self-love. So that is the self-love prompt of this video. I will see you tomorrow for episode 5 of 14 Days of a Teezy Valentine. If you did not watch episodes 1 through 3 yet, they'll be linked down below, and the whole playlist for the self-love Teezy Valentine series will be linked down below. So please watch it, binge watch it, share it, all that good stuff. So as always, please love yourself, and I will see you next video. Mwah!